Hey space enthusiasts! Get ready to have your mind blown with some incredible facts about our universe. We're about to take a trip through the cosmos, exploring the bizarre, the extreme, and the downright unbelievable. From the heart of our solar system to the farthest reaches of space, we're diving deep into the mysteries that make the universe so captivating. Buckle up, because you're in for a cosmic ride. You know, we often talk about how vast space is, how many stars and planets are out there, but it's important to remember that our own solar system is pretty mind-blowing too. Take the sun, for example. It's not just the center of our solar system, it's practically the whole thing. Think about it. 99.86% of the entire solar system's mass is contained within that giant ball of burning gas. That means everything else, all the planets, moons, asteroids, comets, they're just tiny fractions left over. It puts things into perspective, doesn't it? It's a cosmic giant holding everything together. So, you think a hurricane on Earth is bad? Imagine winds whipping around at speeds of over 2,100 kilometers per hour. That's what's happening on Neptune, the ice giant of our solar system. These aren't your average breezes. They're supersonic winds, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Can you imagine what it would be like to experience that kind of wind? It would be like standing in a supersonic jet engine, except, you know, much, much colder. We've all heard about the search for water on other planets, right? Well, guess what? We've already found it on the moon. Yep, our very own celestial neighbor has water. There's just one catch. It's frozen solid. You see, scientists have discovered ice lurking in the shadows of craters at the moon's poles, places where sunlight never reaches. It's a reminder that even in the seemingly desolate landscape of space, water, one of the essential ingredients for life as we know it, can still exist. The silent scream sounds demise in space. Here's a classic space scenario. You're floating in the void, surrounded by stars, and you decide to let out a scream. Here's the catch. Nobody's going to hear you. Why? Because in the vacuum of space, there's no air for sound waves to travel through. Sound needs a medium to propagate, like air or water. In space, it's just, well, space, a vast emptiness. So, those epic space battles with roaring engines and exploding spaceships, yeah, totally silent in reality. Venus, where a day outlasts a year. Talk about a long day. On Venus, a single day lasts longer than an entire Venusian year. That's right, this planet spins so slowly on its axis that it takes longer to complete one rotation than it does to orbit the sun. Imagine celebrating your birthday every day. Well, maybe not. You see, Venus isn't exactly known for its pleasant conditions. It's got a toxic atmosphere, scorching temperatures, and it rains sulfuric acid. So maybe stick to celebrating birthdays the Earth way for now. Stellar giants dwarfing our sun. Our sun might seem huge to us, but out there in the vastness of space, it's just a humble average-sized star. There are stars out there millions of times larger than our sun, stars so massive they make our sun look like a tiny speck of dust. These stellar behemoths are called hypergiants, and they're truly awe-inspiring. Just imagine the sheer scale of these stars, the unimaginable energy they possess. It makes you realize just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Andromeda, our galactic neighbor. You know, it's easy to feel like we're alone in the universe, but we're not. In fact, we have a galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Now, it might be a bit far for a neighborly visit, being 2.5 million light-years away, but it's the closest major galaxy to our own Milky Way. And here's something even cooler. Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way. Don't worry, it's not going to happen for billions of years, but eventually, these two galaxies will collide in a spectacular cosmic dance, merging to form one giant galaxy. Black holes, those enigmatic objects with gravity so strong that not even light can escape, have captured our imaginations for decades. But have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into one? Well, let's just say it wouldn't be pretty. As you approach a black hole, the immense gravity would create tidal forces so powerful that they would stretch you out like spaghetti, a process scientists playfully call spaghettification. It's a rather unpleasant way to go, but hey, at least you'd be experiencing the ultimate cosmic phenomenon firsthand. We've talked about our galaxy, the Milky Way, and our neighbor Andromeda. But here's a number that will truly blow your mind. There are estimated to be over 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Let that sink in for a moment. 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions, even trillions of stars. It's a number so large it's almost impossible to comprehend. And the crazy thing is, that's just the observable universe, the part we can see from Earth. Who knows what wonders lie beyond our cosmic horizon? Imagine a planet where the temperature swings from scorching heat to bone-chilling cold, all in a matter of hours. That's Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. During the day, temperatures on Mercury can soar to a staggering 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But as soon as the sun sets, the temperature plummets, dropping to a frigid minus 180 degrees Celsius. It's a planet of extremes, a testament to the harsh realities of space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these space facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic content. Keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe. Until next time, stay curious.